Alright, about to get started on the new mod. Basically, it's just a potentiometer to so we can mess with what the fuel pump is doing. It's really not good for the car, but you know, all in good fun. I could have built it by myself, but I don't know, the guy that's selling it was kind of cool, and plus the whole mint box thing is kind of neat. I dig it. He even left some mints in there for me. So it's just on and off, potentiometer, play with the pump. Plus his kit is all plug and play. I mean, it's homemade, but I'm okay with that. But if I were to do it, I would have had to do some splicing and stuff. Plug and play is pretty neat. I mean, I still have to splice a couple wires together. He did that so you could route it through the firewall. Don't know why I'm having such a struggle talking today. You know, it's been a long weekend, whatever. But we're gonna get it in there. Okay, so pretty straightforward. It just plugs in right there next to the pump. I just gotta run this into the cab and move on to the next step. Okay, so I got the wire in here. It's definitely not prettiest. I need to clean up a lot of the wiring in this car. I'll probably at least secure it to a few things. But right now I just want to see how it works. And I can clean it up. Basically this guy that I just ran in here splices to this little plug, and then it'll plug into the box. And then I just gotta get power, and it'll plug into the box, and then we'll be good to go. Got it all hooked up, I think. Let's see if it blows up. Power. Car's still cold though. I might want to let it warm up a little bit. I'll let it warm up a little bit and then we'll get back to it. This thing is pretty warm, but it needs new injectors pretty bad. So I'm gonna take it around the block to get it extra warmed up, and then we'll try again. Okay, it's a little warmer now. Burning clean. I was messing with it a little bit. Wasn't sure how much it would do at idle. Definitely makes it mad.